Whether you come home late and you come home early, you come home big when you're feeling small, you come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. It's crossed the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the seed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one day that I can hold on to. To believe in this living, it's just a hard way to go. I am an old woman named after my mother. My old man is another child that's grown old. If dreams were lightning, thunder were desire, this old house would have burned down a long time ago. When I was younger, I had me a cowboy. He weren't much to look at, just a free-raving man. But that was a long time. No matter how I tried, the years just flew by like a broken down day. Oh, make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one day that I can hold on to. To believe in this living, it's just a hard way to go. There's flies in the kitchen, I can hear them there buzzing. And I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening, and have nothing to say? Make me an angel, flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one day that I hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. Rest in peace, John Prine.